This is me saying I have not got a clue what I'm doing. I have acquired some batteries and I am trying to make a battery pack so I can power them on my tricycle. So I've been on YouTube and found a dude who's made one of these. There you can see it. This is going to be my first test to see whether that thing there will weld a battery. So let's put that there. And put that there. Oh, there, magnet. Hey. Right, so we've got this here. We've got this stuff here. We are going to lop a bit off there. Bit of overkill, but there we go. So positive, negative, positive on there. Right. So technically, what we do now is shove that on there like that and press. Oops. Way! Let's have another go.
What have you done?
Nothing. I might have put that on for a bit long. Let's hold that there. Then we're going to put that on there like that, and then we're going to go. So hopefully that'll be stuck on. Do you reckon? Let's try this one. We might be on for a bit too long, or this might just be totally crap. Oh, they don't bloody weld it. Hang on, let's hold it on for a bit longer. Is my switch not working? Right, that's down there. They're not frigging welding. Oh, I think we might have to come back to this. I don't know whether that's proper stuff or not. Let's have another do. It's got to bloody work. It's got to do. I might need to get something. Oh, there, that's one. Those two just be enough to. Well, just let's hope see if I can weld one. Oh, there we go. There, we're rolling. I might have had them a wee bit too close. Was that one? That one's not welding. Let's try this one over here. Well, I must say, so far, that is a load of. We'll get back on it.